Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to Davidson, a charming town located in the heart of Saskatchewan. Situated in the rural municipality of Arm River, Davidson is surrounded by the rolling prairies and farmland that characterize this part of the province. Davidson was established in 1904 and was named after Colonel Andrew Duncan Davidson, a distinguished figure who served as the Commissioner of the Northwest Territories in 1901. The town's founding coincided with the arrival of the Canadian Pacific Railway, which played a crucial role in the development and growth of many Saskatchewan communities during that time. Davidson is located in an area known for its fertile soil and favorable conditions for agriculture. The surrounding landscape is dominated by vast fields of wheat, canola, and other crops, making it an important hub for farming and agribusiness. Today, Davidson is a vibrant community with a population that enjoys a mix of rural and small-town amenities. Whether you're passing through or staying a while, Davidson provides a warm and welcoming atmosphere with a rich history and a commitment to preserving its small-town charm. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Davidson, Saskatchewan.